website homepage provides a brief introduction to the company to help visitors understand the basic information and culture of Hoonsun, to provide customers with excellent cable connection solutions. Hoonsun designs and manufactures cable plans, hose fittings, and related accessories. Our products are intended for use in multiple environments and meet global installation codes. With our wide variety of options, there's something to feed every application. On the product details page, you will find detailed product descriptions, pictures, product parameters, and product videos for visitors to learn more about our products. If you have any questions or cooperation intentions, please feel free to contact us.